Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the cup fit and tools are ready. This matters because accurate marks prevent puckers. First, measure from the apex to the cup edge and mark the dart center line. Once done, mark the dart length and 0.5 to 1.5 cm intake at the base. Pin along the fold to test the shaping on the mannequin or wearer. Make sure to keep fabric smooth and maintain wire alignment so the dart won't distort the band. You now fold the cup on the marked center line and secure with pins, aligning the dart tip toward the apex to avoid bumps. Hand baste the dart first so you can try the bra on. This is why you baste, to test shaping before permanent stitching. Once fit is confirmed, stitch with a 2.5 mm straight stitch from base to tip, backstitching at the base only. After stitching, trim seam allowance to 3 to 5 mm and clip toward the tip to reduce bulk. You finish by pressing the dart gently with a low-heat iron and a pressing cloth to set the shape without flattening the cup. Once pressed, reinforce the tip with a small bar tack or a few secure hand stitches to prevent unraveling. Make sure to test under the garment to check projection and smoothness. If you notice gaping at the apex, shorten the dart by 1/2 centimeter. If the band feels tight or cups pull, reduce the intake slightly and rebaste to reassess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.